simply он пьет молоко, она пьет молоко, question mark. The remaining options we have is welcome, which is добро пожаловать, very long, comparing with just a simple welcome, добро пожаловать. So, папа пьет, but я пью. Вино? Question mark. Hello and welcome to another Learn Along Russian lesson with you, Duolingo, and me. My name is Yana, by the way. I'm your native Russian speaker, and let's just do another lesson in Unit 3 together. Я доктор means I'm a doctor. Another word for doctor in Russian language is врач, which we can say я врач or я доктор. The same form of the word doctor would be if we would say она доктор, she is a doctor, or он доктор, he is a doctor. But if we are doctors, we say мы доктора, or they doctors, они доктора. The options that Duolingo gives us, he, which means on, actor is актер, Anton is a Russian name, Anton, teacher is учитель. Blank женщины. Do you know what женщины means? Женщины means women. And the options we have он, они, она. So, since женщины, women, are female gender in Russian language, we should be looking at the options that indicate that we're talking about female gender. If we take a look at the first option, it says on. On means he, male gender, not female, so it just doesn't fit here. Also, женщины in this scenario are plural. If we say женщина, we know it's a single woman that we're talking about. Since it's женщины, women, we know it's plural. So we're looking for the complementary word that would have any indication that it is female gender and it's plural. On is single and it's male. Doesn't work for us. Они, that's closer because они means they. Technically, они could mean both. They are men or they are women. Они мужчины or они женщины. So that's one is definitely interesting, but just for the sake of it, let's look at the last one. Она. Она means she. And она is a female. However, она is singular. Она женщина. Одна. One woman. Based on this dissection, we can safely assume that они is the right option. That should go here. Они женщины. They are women. Девочка ест яблоко means a girl is eating an apple. Girl is eating an apple. If we want to say that it's a boy is eating an apple, we just substitute девочка with мальчик. Мальчик ест яблоко, девочка ест яблоко. Женщина ест яблоко, woman eats an apple. Man eating an apple. Мужчина ест яблоко. Simply, we can just substitute девочка with мальчик, женщина, мужчина. Or она, он, она. But if we're gonna say I'm eating an apple, we're gonna say я ем яблоко. Яблоко gonna remain the same since we're talking about singular apple. Девочка ест яблоко, я ем яблоко. Они едят яблоко, or мы едим яблоко. But if we want to say that there are plenty of apples to go around, we can say яблоки. Мы едим яблоки, они едят яблоки, я ем яблоки, девочка ест яблоки. But девочка ест яблоко, that's what we have. A girl is eating an apple. Options remain are this, which means это. Cheese is сыр. Woman is a woman, is a женщина. And I don't know. We don't use that. We don't use that in Russian language. And does not apply. And yes means да. Антон пьет молоко. Question. Is Anton drinking milk? Or does Anton drinks milk? Антон пьет молоко. Does Anton drinks milk? Question mark. Антон пьет молоко. Or Maria пьет молоко. Or simply он пьет молоко, она пьет молоко, question mark. If we're asking a question, do I drink milk? Я пью молоко. So пьет changes its form to пью. Пью, like a laser gun. Пью. Я пью молоко, я пью молоко, question mark. The remaining options are there that we don't use in Russian language, English only. Drink, пью. If we would be talking about я пью молоко, we would use drink, not drinks. So, пью, not пьет. Wine, вино. Menu, меню. Papa пьет вино. Does dad drink wine? Does dad drink wine? If we want to substitute papa with мальчик, or Anton, or девочка or женщина. The form of drink пьет in Russian would remain the same. Папа пьет молоко, он пьет молоко, Антон пьет молоко, Мария пьет молоко, мама пьет молоко. However, if we would be talking about ourselves, я пью вино, not молоко, вино, я пью вино, then пьет, drink, changes its form into пью. So, папа пьет, but я пью. Вино? Question mark. The remaining options are she, which means она, Nina, name Nina, coach is тренер, meat is мясо. So, тренер, practicing our rolling R's, тренер, plenty of opportunity to practice rolling R's, тренер, тренер. And мясо, practicing pronouncing letter я, not like я, but я, мясо. Moving on. Спасибо, она здесь means thank you, she's here. The remaining options we have hi, which means hello. Victor is the name Victor, engineer, and Katya is the common Russian name. Yekaterina is the full name of this, and I see it so often. If you've seen Archer, do you remember character Katya from there? So it would absolutely drive me nuts each time they would say Katya. It's not Katya, it's Katya, simply Katya. Katya, Katyusha, Yekaterina, Katinka, Katya. No, Katya. Feel my frustrations and please say Katya. Katya. Cool? Cool. Женщина здесь. Is woman here? Should be is the woman here. Pardon. Going into the options. Apple means яблоко. Welcome means добро пожаловать. The is something that I should have put before woman, but we don't use that in Russian language, so that's what happened. Am, same as the, we are not using that. We say I am, in Russian we just say я. Say is the woman here, in Russian we just say женщина здесь, so it got to me. And or actually means или. I mean, in Russian it goes as или. Это город, which is a statement this time. I'm saying это город means this is a city. Okay, I got this one right. The remaining options we have is engineer, which means engineer, or is или, Mongolia is Mongolia, and coffee is coffee. Привет, я учитель means hi, I am a teacher. And seeing this is what I'm talking about. In Russian, we don't use am at all. We simply say я учитель, я повар, I'm a cook, я доктор, I'm a doctor. So, yeah. The options we have here is she means она, доктор is doctor, and means и, and this is это. Нет, Дима не актер means no, Dima is not an actor, and in Russian it's gonna look like this. Нет, Дима не актер, Dima is not an actor. And you see in the word актер, this letter with two dots on top, it calls letter yo, and that's how it's pronounced, yo. Funny enough, in Russian language, we often disregard this poor letter yo, and we just don't put the dots there. We just don't. And it's funny because somehow most of us, meaning native Russian speakers, we just know by heart when the letter yo is supposed to be there in the words like актер or ежик, which means hedgehog. Yeah, актер, yo, letter yo. Remaining options we have Stanislav, which is a name. The short version is Stas. Stanislav is the full form. Здесь means here. Да is yes, and Ukraina means Ukraine. Victor не ест мясо means Victor doesn't eat meat. Or Victor is not eating meat. Remaining options we have woman means женщина. Here здесь house is дом, man is мужчина. Он не ест means he doesn't eat or he's not eating. He's not eating. Он не ест. Options are cheese, which is сыр, house is дом, menu is menu, and she means она. Дима это дом means Dima, this is a house. The remaining options am, that is not applicable to Russian language. Sweater is свитер. Thank you means спасибо. And yes means да. Кошка ест мясо means cat is eating the meat. Pardon, the cat is eating the meat. The options that we have are juice, which is сок. No means нет. Actor is актер. with a yo. House is dom. Собака не ест сыр means the dog doesn't eat cheese. The remaining options are Canada, Canada, girl is девочка, boy is мальчик, and this is это. Женщины и девочки. Here is a tricky one because it's very easy to make mistakes by overseeing that женщины is plural and девочка is singular. Thankfully, based on the options that they provide in us, it is easier not to make these mistakes because there's only one instance of women, which is plural, and the only one girl. But if we would say girls or woman, that's definitely a route I would take myself, but hopefully you won't. So, женщина is plural, и девочка is singular. So, women and a girl. Great. Or means или Ukraine means Украина. House is дом, apple is яблоко. Maria, она здесь means Maria, she's here. Maria is the full name. The short version sometimes Maria is called Masha. The remaining options we have is welcome, which is добро пожаловать, very long, comparing with just a simple welcome. Добро пожаловать. Actor is actor, engineer is engineer, and Katya is a name. Нет, кошка не ест сыр means no. The cat doesn't eat cheese. Or no, the cat is not eating cheese. The remaining options are bread, which is хлеб. Dima is a name. Dmitry is a full version. Dima is a shorter. House is dom, and man is мужчина. Fantastic! We're done with lesson 2 in unit 3, and there are many more casual words that we can see here, such as house is a dom, apple is яблоко. We see a lot of есть, eating or not eating something. I really appreciate you sticking with me till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you do, and I'll see you in the next one. Спасибо, пока!